All right, guys, we got an awesome product here from iGarden. This is their pool cleaner, and I'm super pumped. Now, it is frigid outside, so you're not getting a in the pool clean, but you're going to get a quick unboxing so we can see what we're working with. We're going to go ahead and get this charged up because we were only a few short weeks away from actually tossing this in the pool and getting it cleaned up. So right off the bat, you have the iGarden Quick Start Guide right here. Love this. This is a huge piece of paper. Let me get a little closer to show you guys. So in here, it's going to give you their quick start guide. So product overview, control panel, power and charge. You got the remaining app pairing because there is an app for it, deploy and start, and then all the support you could possibly need. That is super sweet. Cannot get rid of that, so we don't have any issues. Now, first things first, the trusty hook. You have a hook, so I don't know about you, but if you got this, they sometimes stop down in the bottom, maybe not close to the edge, and you need a hook to throw it on the end of the pole. You got it right here. On the right side, let's go ahead and see what this is. Looks like we got some power stuff maybe. Yep, we got our power charging cable. I do like this, and I can already see it definitely has some waterproof aspects to it, so I'm digging that right there. Let's get on into it and see if we can get to the unit itself. All right. Now, we're in here. We have a little bit more of the iGarden. This is their user manual right on the left side of the box, so we can get into that. But here is the star of the show, which is the actual iGarden unit. Here we go, guys. I am pumped. There's nothing better than a crystal clear pool. When you get a crystal clear pool, you are enjoying it all year round. And this is going to be the solution for it for us. I guarantee it. Let's go ahead and see what we have. Okay, it is wrapped really well. They did not skimp on making sure that you get a properly sealed package. Let's get into it. It's like the paper that comes on an iPhone. Okay. All right. Now here we go, guys. Here's the first look at the iGarden. Check out this unit right here. All right. This thing is sweet looking. I don't know about you, but that is cool. You got some extra stuff. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Let's go ahead and see. It's all silica packets. Got to keep it nice and clean and stuff. Okay, down here, you got the handle, grab handle. That's where you're going to be able to handle the hook on it. Definitely loving that aspect. You have your control panel right up front. I know it's really hard to see. We'll see if we can get powered on in just a second. And then you do have the filter on the back. Let's go ahead and crack this open and see what we're working with. So there's your filter basket. Easy. I love that. One big old swoop of it. You have your opening port for the filter basket. You keep it nice and clean without any issues right there. Close that up. Okay. Boom. Let's see how it is to turn it on. All right, we're going to have to find an on button, and I'm sure she is floating around here somewhere. Let's go ahead and see. We got a couple of LiDAR radars. We got our bottom of the unit. We can take this off and clean everything out however we want to. Sheesh, this thing is sweet looking. Let's see if we can get it powered on here. 1 second. I don't know. All right, I might have to get her charged up. We got our on, off, wait for sleep, hold for 3 seconds. See if we can do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got a switch on the bottom. Okay. See, you got to read directions for a reason. You have to switch on the bottom. We got the unlock aspect. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay. So we need to make sure that we turn her on. Flip the power to on. Got it. And then next things, open the charge port and cover, plug it in, and disconnect and pair. So that gives you all the details. Now, without me going ahead and pairing it up to my iPhone, I'm going to show you a couple things about this. So you do have to pair this up. Now, on the bottom, I know it's hard to see, but right here underneath it, okay, about 1.5 inches down, there is a circle. You can twist it. It has a lock, which is going to be facing up, and an unlock, which is going to be twisted to your right. When you click that, it's going to unlock the unit. And I do like that, so you're not going to randomly turn it on. Now, when you do that, you're going to flip it around to the charge port section, which is going to be on the back right here. Okay? You're going to open this guy up, and we're going to go ahead and plug it in. So once we get that plugged in, it's going to come on. Then you're going to pair it to your iPhone or your Android by scanning the app and getting that all set up. So once you've done that, you can turn everything on. Guys, we're learning as we go. This thing looks super sweet, and I'm excited to get into it here soon. You guys got to check out the iGarden. This thing is going to be awesome, so check it out.